Ako, I'm still looking for short opportunity. This is the SR flip area ni gold. We're expecting a rejection dyan. Nauuntog siya. Go down to the 5-minute time frame. This is an SR flip area. That's a classic support. Broken. It will turn into resistance. So you expect a pullback from that area. Since we're still bearish in gold based on chart, in the immediate short term, you look for short dyan sa area na yan. You scalp short dyan sa area na yan. Ang next stop nito, if this will be broken, kung tutuloy man, madami kang resistance eh. This yellow line will be your resistance. This pivot will be your resistance. This trend line will still be your resistance. Ang dami. So usually, pagka ganito po, we look for bear flags. Etong area na to, most likely, ina-expect ko at least hanggang mamaya po. Maybe hanggang opening ng London session. So maybe mga hanggang 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm expecting gold to consolidate dito muna sa area na to. Tulo na kasi. Tapos na yung matinding action eh. So magko-conso yan. So what are you going to do pagka nakikita mo na conso na ganyan? Pwede kang mag-trade dyan. Pwede mong i-scalp yan sa lower time frame. Maybe 5 or 3.